Hello YouTube team, my channel name is Kumar Official and here is my channel URL. This channel is created by me and my friends and we uploaded videos here about our daily lifestyle, cooking, food and unboxing, and sometimes we also do live streaming. Last October 25, 2024, I received an email to the YouTube team saying that my channel is no longer eligible for monetization because of the reused content. That's why I want to submit this appeal video because I believe that it's only a mistake. All the video that I uploaded in this channel is originally made and edited by me and I didn't re-upload someone else's content. I want to show you some of the examples of how I edit and film my video. Anyway, this is my simple room where I usually stay when I edit my video. This is my laptop. This is my phone. I use my phone in editing my videos. This is my ring lights to enhance the quality of my videos. These tools I use during live streaming. So here is the kitchen where I usually prepare my cooking vlog. Okay, so this is the example of how I edit my videos. I use CapCut application in editing my video. This is one of the example of my video that I edited here and uploaded in my channel. This is how I edit here in CapCut. For the music, I have some music that I downloaded from the audio library and this is the one that I use for my video. And for my thumbnail, I use Canva, this one. And this is one of the example that I make here in Canva. Then sometimes I use this PixArt application for my thumbnail. These three applications that I use is to create my original content. For my live streaming, I use my laptop. Then I use this StreamYard application for live stream. This is all the video that I uploaded here in my channel. And this is how I added my commentary. I write down all the ingredients and the preparation. And here in the description, in order to educate my viewers, I explain to them what is this recipe is all about, the ingredients, and how to prepare it. Okay, so this is all the outcome of my editing process. And this is all the video that I uploaded here in my channel. Thank you for the time to watch my appeal video and I hope everything is clear. I am hoping that YouTube team will return back my ads and monetization so that I can continue to inspire people. Thank you for the kindness and best regards.